Supplements are substances that are taken to replenish, boost, or increase the levels of nutrients or hormones in the body. They are available as pills, capsules, powders, syrups, and even topical creams. There are several nutrients and hormones that the body needs to function properly. Most times, low levels of these hormones and nutrients can cause deficiency symptoms. Supplements are therefore quite important to get the body back to its optimum state. Hormones are chemicals that are present in the human blood which spread signals to the different parts of the body. Hormones are derived from the Greek word, hormao, which means, I excite. These hormones, therefore, excite the target organs and prompt them to carry out or stop a function. These hormones are produced in the endocrine system and they control bodily functions like sex drive and function, fertility, appetite, blood sugar, stress response, cognition, fat metabolism, digestion, and energy levels. They affect several activities that go on in the human body, and a slight imbalance of these hormones can seriously impact total health and well-being. Estrogen is one of the hormones that are present in the body's endocrine system. The endocrine system is made up of glands that produce hormones. The ovaries produce sex hormones like progesterone and estrogen. The hypothalamus controls the pituitary, thyroid, and adrenal glands. It also produces hormones like dopamine, somatostatin, corticoliberin, growth hormone-releasing hormone (GHRH), lullabirin, and thyrotropin-releasing hormone (TRH). The pituitary gland, which produces the adrenocorticotropic hormone (ACTH), thyroid-stimulating hormone (TSH), follicle-stimulating hormone (FSH), luteinizing hormone (LH), growth hormone (GH), prolactin, oxytocin, antidiuretic hormone (ADH), and melanocyte-stimulating hormone (MSH). The thyroid gland produces the thyroxine hormone T3, triiodothyronine hormone T4. The thymus produces the thymopoietin, thymolin, and thymosin hormones. The pancreas produces gastrin, somatostatin, insulin, and glucagon. The adrenal gland produces the adrenaline, cortisol, and aldosterone hormones. What are estrogens? These are sex hormones that help to develop and maintain female reproductive functions. Estrogen refers to all the hormones that help to carry out these functions. These hormones are estradiol, estrone, and estriol. These substances play a vital role in developing the secondary sexual characteristics in females such as pubic hair, breasts, wide pelvis, reproductive system, and in regulating the menstrual cycle. They are also available in small quantities in males. Estradiol. This is the most popular and the most potent of all the three steroid hormones called estrogens. It is also referred to as the female hormone or 17-beta estradiol, and it is the most androgenic, produces male sex hormones, of other estrogens. Unlike the other estrogens, it contains 2-hydroxyl O groups, while estriol and estrone contain 3 and 1-hydroxyl groups respectively. It is produced in the granulosa cells that surround the eggs of the ovaries, the breasts, and other extraglandular tissues. It is carried in the blood to cells where it binds to globulins and enters the nucleus. It binds to the DNA, responsible for the genetic information of an individual, in the cell nucleus and triggers the production of female sexual characteristics, bone development, and other fertility functions. High levels of estradiol can cause depression, acne, and constipation. Severe conditions like weight gain, infertility, stroke, high risk of breast cancer, and heart attack could also arise. Low levels of estradiol could lead to osteoporosis, delay, or total loss of breast development, depression, mood swings, fatigue, night sweats, vaginal dryness, hot flushes, and infertility. Estrone. This is one of the 3 steroid hormones which is also known as E1. It is produced in the ovaries, fat tissues, and adrenal glands. It is found in large quantities in the system during menopause. It is also known to be present in men and can be converted to estradiol when it is needed. High levels of estrone in the blood can lead to breast and endometrial cancer. Low levels can lead to fatigue, hot flashes, osteoporosis, low libido, and depression. Estriol. This is also known as E3 and usually occurs at low levels except during pregnancy. The highest level of estriol in the body is just before childbirth. It is also known to prevent the body from carrying out self-destructive functions and autoimmune diseases like rheumatoid arthritis and multiple sclerosis, especially during pregnancy. The body level of estriol is sometimes used to determine the health status of a fetus. This is because the adrenal glands of the baby secrete substances dehydroepiandrosterone sulfate that help in the production of estriol from the placenta. This substance is first converted to 16-A-hydroxydehydroepiandrosterone by the fetus liver before carried to the placenta and converted into estriol. High levels of estriol in the blood during pregnancy could lead to the delivery of a premature child, while low levels during pregnancy will lead to labor inducement since it might not likely happen. Functions of estrogen. 1. It helps in the production and growth of the egg follicle. 2. It helps in vaginal growth to adult size. Estrogen also helps to increase its acidity, thickening of its walls, and lubrication. 3. It contributes to the regulation of the cervical mucus secretions, which aids in sperm movements. 4. It works together with other mammary hormones to support breast development, nipple formation, and pigmentation and regulate milk production. 5. It helps in developing thick fallopian tubes and triggers the contractions of fallopian tubes that help in the movement of the ovary and sperm. 6. It plays a vital role in uterine activities like endometrium buildup, menstruation, child delivery, zygote implantation, and uterine muscle contractions during labor. Estrogen also plays a role of developing the female body in a different way from the male. These physical features are: 1. Shorter and smaller bones. 2. Broader pelvis. 3. Narrower shoulders. 4. Fat storage in the thighs and hips, which helps to form curves. 5. More permanent hair on the head. 6. Smaller and shorter vocal cords. 7. More oily secretions on the skin. Support of the production of collagen, which prevents rough and aged skin. 11. Hormonal imbalance. This occurs when the levels of hormones are too high or too low. The functions of the hormones in the human body is very essential, and the slightest change in its level causes severe side effects. Fluctuations in the hormonal levels in the female body occur naturally in puberty, perimenopause, and menopause. It can also be caused by the presence of toxins in the body or a change in lifestyle. Symptoms of hormonal imbalance: sleep disorder, skin problems, gastrointestinal disorders, fatigue, mood swings, weight gain, headaches, vaginal dryness, low libido, breast changes, formation of pineal cysts, low calcium levels, fluctuations on the blood sugar levels. How estrogen supplements increase the level of estrogen in the body. Estrogen supplements contain a wide range of ingredients that work separately or together with other ingredients to boost the production of or the action of estrogen. Some of the components of estrogen supplements and their functions are: phytoestrogens. Some of these estrogen supplements are made with phytoestrogens. They are natural components present in plants and can affect the body just like estrogen does. They imitate estrogen and have chemical structures that resemble that of estrogen. Because of this, they form weak bonds with estrogen receivers or receptors. Examples of herbs that contain phytoestrogens are: 1. Black cohosh. 2. Dong quai. 3. Red clover. It contains some isoflavones like formanwantin, daidzein, biocanin A, and genistein. They are all phytoestrogens. 4. Evening primrose oil. It contains omega-6 fatty acids. 5. Chasteberry. It contains a phytoestrogen called apigenin. Some foods that contain phytoestrogens are: 1. Sesame seeds. 2. Soybeans. 3. Flax seeds. 4. Vitamins and minerals. These vitamins and minerals play vital roles in the production of estrogen in the body. They are: vitamin D, B vitamins, and boron. If you enjoyed this video, please click the subscription button below. Turn the notification on so that you will know when we post a new video. Do not forget to visit our site, www.zymsupplementsguide.com, for more awesome supplement content like this. Thank you.